Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video we will learn how to create a Canva account and start building with. So let's start. First of all, I am going to search Canva. So let's search here Canva. Okay, this is the Canva website, so we will use it. Click on the first link. Okay, this is Canva homepage interface. So at the right top side, you can see here there is a pop-up. It's suggesting us continue as. So I am continue as. My name is Joinal, so I am continue as Joinal. This we using this email account. Here they are asking a question, what will you be using Canva for? So suppose we are a non-profit or charity organizations or teacher or personal use. So I am setting is for personal use. Okay, it's all set. Now you can see in this interface here, this is free version. So there are so many options here you can choose, or you can search here what you can want to build here. If you want to build a presentation, there is a presentation option, whiteboard option, social media option, social photo editing. If you want to make videos using Canva, you can make videos, or you can make a website here using Canva. Or if you want to make a custom size of suppose like social media post or YouTube thumbnail, you can make it here. If you click on the custom size, you can customize, you can set the width and height. At the left top side, you can see here there is a button here, create. So if you click on the create button, there will be options, all the options, what you can create using Canva. So first one is suppose a presentation, landscape video, or vertical video, or flyer design, or poster design. Everything you can do using Canva. That's all the video. If you think it was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking it. Thank you.